Good morning, dear students. This is computer class for class 9. Today I will explain you chapter 3 elementary concepts of objects and classes. So in this chapter, first of all, we will see what is an object. Whatever you are watching, whatever you are looking around you, those all things are object. It means anything that is visible and can be touched. For example, your mobile phone, your book, your pen, everything is an object. These all are the example of object. So how can we define? In chapter 1 also I explained you that object is an identifiable entity. It means it has its own identification with some characteristics and behavior. With some characteristics, state and behavior. For example, if we will take an orange, it has its own characteristics, like it is spherical in shape, its color is orange, and what are its behavior? It is juicy and its taste sweet sour. But what can be its taste? It can be half eaten. For a specific case, it can be half eaten. So in this way you can say that orange is an object. Orange is the example of an object. Let's take another example. You are also an example of object. How? You all have your unique identity, means your name. If you are in the school, you have also some unique identification, your roll number. Maybe you can be with same name, but your roll number will be totally different. Your admission number will be different. It will be unique. So these are your unique identity. Your characteristics are your eyes, ears, nose, hands, legs, heart, brain, liver. These all are your characteristics. And your behavior. What are your behavior? You can walk, you can eat, you can sleep, you can sing, you can dance. These all are your behavior. So, an object must be with unique identification, unique identity, and it has some characteristics and behavior. Next is, what is an class? So class is a blueprint of a set of objects. And these objects should share, means you can say that class is a group of objects which can share some common properties and behavior. Means if you want to attend the class 9 computer class, then which common things you should be have? You should promote in class 8. Then you should have some basic knowledge in BlueJ. Your age should be in between 13-14 years. So if you will follow these common characteristics, you can be in the class 9. So on the basis of those blueprint, actually we are creating the objects. So in this way you can also say that class is an object factory. Okay. So based on classes specification, multiple objects but of same type can be created. Now we will take one more example to clear the concept of class and object. For example, if we will take an example of dog. So for a class there can be two different instances. One is of Bruno and second is Paula. Second is Paula. And first one is Bruno. You all know that in the class dog, it should have some properties, like it should be of some color, then height, length, weight. These all are the properties of dog, and it should follow some methods also, like it should sit, it should lay down, it should shake, it should walk, it should jump. Then for first example of dog Bruno, its color is first property, color. Color can be grey, white and black. In another object Paula, its color is brown and white. Means properties are different. Eye color, in the case of Bruno it is blue and brown, but in case of Paula it is black. The height of Bruno is 18 inches and height of Paula is 10 inches only. The length of Bruno is 36 inches and length of Paula 18 inches. Weight of Bruno 20 kg and weight of Paula is 9.5 kg. Means their properties can be same, but they both are with same methods, with same behavior. It means both type of objects of the class dog. Both are the objects Paula and Bruno. So these both objects should follow the should follow the behavior which are specified by the class dog, that is sit, lay down, shake, walk and jump. It means properties can be different of two different objects, but these both objects should follow the same methods defined by the class. Okay. Next one. In this way you can say that class is a conceptual description. Means you can give the concept, but actually who will implement those concept? Object. So class can only give the concept, but who will implement? Object. Now we will see something more on object. Objects can encapsulate in state and behavior. State and behavior. State means properties and attributes. Properties and attributes, and behavior means method. State will follow through properties and attributes. Behavior will follow through methods. Okay. That's why in the case of class dog, the properties or attributes you can say of two objects was different. Means state can be different, but their methods, their behaviors were same. So identity. What is the identity of an object? Identity of the object is defined through its name. It can be product name, product ID, your roll number, or in your home your own name. These all are your unique identification. An object's state, it is defined by properties or attributes. Okay, just now I was given the example. So properties or attribute is a feature of the objects which can be distinguished from other kind of objects. Okay, like in the example of dog, as you have seen that two objects can have different properties. One dog is with the color gray, white and black, and second dog is with brown and white color. Their eye color can be different, their height can be different, their length can be different. In this way we can differentiate between two objects. Some attributes are static. What do you mean by static? They remain unchanged always. Means if we will take the example of car, its length. I am talking about a particular car object, not about a class car. Class about a particular type of car means I am talking about an object. Its length, width and height, it will be fixed. It will always be remain same. But if we will talk about, but some functions, some attributes are dynamic also. Like if we will talk about its speed, its speed can be different. Its speed can be different, and its speed, its speed is dependent upon accelerating on halting the car. So state can be static or state can be dynamic also. Means state can be fixed or state can be changed also. So these changes are dependent these changes are dependent upon the behavior, and which can be represented by the methods in the program. Okay, so dynamic states can be represented, can be changed by using the methods. So in this way we can say that objects is encapsulate state and behavior. Another example we will take about the um, a particular dog. Its name is Leo. Its name is Leo, and it is the identification of that dog object, not dog class. This is the particular object of the class dog. Its name is Leo, and its attribute is height, weight, and what he is currently doing. So just refer the page number 38. In this page, the picture is given at the bottom of the page, where the same dog, you can see the three pictures of the same dog. Their height and weight are same. Height and weight are always same, means these two are static attribute. But one more attribute, that is currently what he is doing, it is changed in each and every picture. It is changed. In first picture it is thinking, second picture it is playing, and third picture it is sleeping. So its attribute can be changed. This is known as dynamic attribute. And which cannot be changed means height and weight, it is known as static attribute. So in this way you can say that an object encapsulates state and behavior. Next day we will see some more things on object, some more concepts on object, like message passing between objects, and more on abstraction. So this is for today. Next day we will discuss some more topics. Thoroughly read the chapter number 3 Have a great day. Thank you.